Welcome to Baler, Aurora! After 5 hours on the road, my friend Carla and I finally reached Baler. Happy to say that Baler's roads have improved dramatically. What used to be a bumpy road trip is now a smooth, even path. There's just so much to see and do in the capital of Aurora Province. But our first stop begins at the Pacific Ocean. Baler is on the east central and faces the mighty blue Pacific Ocean. No wonder surfers love Baler.
This is the Pacific Ocean, so the east side of the Philippines. So medyo powerful siya compared to the South China Sea side. Ano na dito sa may Cemento Reef and the Sabang Beach, medyo powerful yung bigay ng waves niya. So for a beginner, talagang ano siya, magandang training, and for intermediate surfers, magandang training siya for advanced level.
But here, the waves, it's when get bigger, it's the waves open, you know, you can do a lot of maneuvers.
Ang Baler kasi napakahaba ng beach break. Sa nakakatuwang bagay, malawak yung beach break. Saan tayo?
It's time to soak our feet in sand and water. One of the best surfing sites on the Philippines. As you can see, right behind me are medium-sized waves, which are perfect for beginners like me. With the help of a Baler local pro surfer, Kuya Ariel, he'll be giving us Surfing 101.
Tuturo ko yung pagtayo sa surfboard. Na po kayo ng surfboard, okay? Higa po kayo. And then, babalance po kayo, ma'am. And then, hawak po kayo dito. Okay, bibilang po ako ng 3. Magsisimula po ako sa 1 hanggang 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tapos tadaw po kayo. Balance. Pag nakabalance na po kayo, pag naka-ride na po kayo hanggang tabi, tatalo na po kayo sa may kanan o kaliwa. Okay, sige po.
We're pumped up and ready to experience what they're all raving about. 1, 2, 3, balance. 1, 2, 3, balance. Well, that sounds and looks pretty simple. On sand, that is. Oh yeah! Waves, get ready for us, cause we're gonna conquer you. Here we go! 1, 2, 3, and whoops! That wasn't supposed to happen. Wow, we're only on hip-deep waters, but these solid waves are making it tough for us. We're always up for a challenge, so let's try this again. And again. And the 4th time is a charm! I finally got up. Woohoo! Not bad for a newbie, huh? I just can't get enough of it. Now I understand how surfing can be addicting. We're lucky to ride on fairly moderate waves, but these can swell as high as 9 feet. Good. With these provocative waves, temperate weather, breathtaking view, Baler is indeed a surfer's paradise. While the intense, enigmatic waves of Baler have put this quaint town on the map, the rich history of Baler is also extraordinary. We head off to Museo de Baler to discover what the past has paid for us.
You go to the museum, you will actually see the soul and the spirit of Baler. Like the world to see how beautiful this place is, how historical it is.
As we enter the Museo de Baler compound, a statue of President Quezon greets us. Baler, Aurora is the birthplace of Manuel L. Quezon, the first president of the Philippine Commonwealth. This is the exact spot where President Quezon was born. Here stands a Bahay Kubo, replica of his first home. Another interesting artifact is President Quezon's presidential car. This beautiful, well-maintained vintage car is a must-see. Even the intricately done mural on the museum's facade is a feast for the eyes.
Trying to depict the history and the future of Baler. What Baler used to be and then what it expects to be. What you will see in our museum is the history of our town, Baler. There you can find the story of its beginning, its indigenous people, and the significant events that took place, like the siege of Baler. At the moment, what you can see is the story of the galleon trade. Baler featured in the history of Spain, and naturally, the galleon trade is part of the history of Spain.
It's amazing how these historical artifacts have been preserved. Just seeing these old photos and antiques shows how Baler has been a pivotal place in Philippine history. I just had to see where the famous siege of Baler took place. The Baler church of today is very bare and unadorned, but its historical significance is elaborate and complicated. In summary, 50 Spanish soldiers and their 4 officers hid inside the stone-built church. Since they lost communication from the Spanish government, they refused to believe that the war had ended in June 1889. They stayed locked inside the church for almost a year, despite efforts of Filipino insurgents to scare them. Subsisting on provisions that lasted for only 6 months, some of the Spanish soldiers died. In July 1890, they peacefully surrendered after they received a Spanish newspaper that depicted Philippine independence. Only 33 out of the 54 survived the siege. While all of that is a significant thing of the past, the Baler community celebrates everything colorful and vibrant in their modest town. I just had to indulge in their local treats. Puto and other rice goodies are just some of their popular delicacies. The best place to find more homegrown products is their local market. Look at these elaborate handmade crafts. Exquisite! Delicious sweet foods, wide variety of seafood. Everything is fresh and affordable. Mind-blowing beaches, lush sceneries, profound history, mouth-watering food, warm people. Oh, Baler, parting is such sweet sorrow. It's been a wonderful trip, but I'm off to another one. Until our next escapade, I'm Jejette, and this is OurPhilippinesTV.